Hello and welcome to our Freebie Friday video. It's Shade here. Today I've been told to talk about how the insurance claims process works when there's damage to real estate and there's a mortgage on the property still. When there's a mortgage on the property, the owner is definitely required to carry hazard insurance coverage to make sure that the property is kept in good repair. And the reason why is because the mortgage lender, of course, has a vested interest in that property because that is collateral for the note. If there's a default on the note, the lender would be able to then take the property and resell it to be able to satisfy the note. So that's why there's a requirement that the insurance is kept up every year. When there's damage to the property, the first person to know is usually the homeowner because they're in possession of the property. The lender doesn't know that there's damage. So the homeowner has to notify the lender and also put in a claim with the insurance company right away. And the reason is because the claims process, it could take a little bit longer. Usually they're quick, but it has to start sooner than later. When the insurance policy is put in place, the primary beneficiary is listed as a homeowner, and then the lender, the mortgage lender, is listed as a secondary or an additional beneficiary on that policy. So throughout the claims process, the homeowner is the one dealing with the insurance agents. The adjuster comes out, assesses the damage, and then goes out back to the insurance company, and then they approve the claim for a certain amount that they think is reasonable for the repairs needed. The homeowner is in charge of getting a contractor to come out and do the repairs, negotiating all of that. So all of that is factored in with the insurance company when it comes to paying the claim. Once the claim is approved, the payment itself, the check, is sent over to the homeowner's address to help with the repairs, right? To cover the repairs. Now the homeowner gets the check, but where this gets a little interesting is that the check is in both names. It's in the name of the homeowner as well as the name of the mortgage lender. So the homeowner is not really able to cash that check by taking it to the bank without having the signature of the mortgage company's agent on there. So then that brings us to the next step, which is for the homeowner to contact the mortgage lender again and say, I have the check and I need you to endorse it, to sign it so that I can cash it. Most of the lenders do not like to do that because they don't want to have a chunk of money given directly to the homeowner who may or may not do the repairs and who may or may not walk away with that money. So what the mortgage lenders tend to do is to ask the homeowner to sign the check, and then they take the check, the mortgage lender takes the check and deposits it and holds onto the money and holds it in trust. And then they're the ones in control of paying it out to the homeowner as the repairs are done. As the contractor issues the invoices, then the lender would pay out from that trust account, which is like an escrow account that they hold until the repairs are all done. So that's how the process works, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any more specific questions, feel free to contact us or another real estate lawyer, and we'll talk to you next time. Happy Friday.